Today we are diving into the core execution principles that make Agile not just flexible but powerful. So these principles ensure your team delivers real results while maintaining the high quality momentum. Now, let's break them down. Last time we stopped at number 6. If you haven't watched those episodes, please check our videos uploaded before this. The 7th principle. This is working solutions as a measure of progress. In Agile, progress isn't measured by lengthy documents, PRDs, TRDs, or arbitrary percentages that you have done this percentage. No. It is measured by delivering working product increments. Frequent releases combined with real customer feedback, allowing teams to learn fast and improve even faster. So that is the quality, the best way you always have to use Agile methodology. So it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't count. We know that. If you give a client something that is not working, then it has not counted. Whether you get a pay or not, it has not counted. So the 8th principle, this one is on sustainable development pace. So you have to develop that pace. And we know that Agile is a marathon, not a sprint. You keep running. Either your team should operate at a steady, maintainable pace, because we know that burnout is an enemy of innovation. The moment the team burns out, you'll not get any value. Overloading developers or chasing unrealistic deadlines may speed things up, yes, temporarily, but it crashes long-term quality. So you may have the temporary success, but it burns out. So Agile encourages sustainability, delivery, and you keep the team healthy and productive. So the 9th principle I'm coming with is continuous attention to technical excellence and good designs. So Agile isn't just about speed, it is about quality. We said it, Agile is value. Top performers will always focus on clean code, simple design, test automations, and continuous refactoring. So why? Because technical excellence today prevents technical debt tomorrow. So if you want real Agile execution, focus on delivering value early. Deliver value early. Maintain a healthy team rhythm and never compromise on technical quality. Those are the things you can take off from this video. Ready for the next set of principles? Let's keep building and keep updated with Agile principles. Subscribe to Sabtech Online, and I meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.